Hey there, foodies. Today, we're diving into the world of healthy lunches. Whether you're meal prepping for work or school, these 10 ideas will keep you satisfied and nourished throughout the day. Let's get cooking. Quinoa salad bowl. Start with a base of cooked quinoa and top it with mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, avocado slices, and grilled chicken or tofu. Drizzle with a lemon tahini dressing for extra flavor. Veggie wrap. Fill a whole grain wrap with hummus, sliced bell peppers, shredded carrots, cucumber, spinach, and a sprinkle of feta cheese. Roll it up tightly and slice it into pinwheels for a portable lunch option. Buddha bowl. Create a colorful bowl with a mix of cooked grains like brown rice or farro, roasted sweet potatoes, steamed broccoli, chickpeas, and a dollop of creamy avocado dressing. Top with toasted seeds for crunch. Turkey and avocado wrap. Spread mashed avocado on a whole grain tortilla. Layer on sliced turkey breast, lettuce, tomato, and a drizzle of balsamic glaze. Roll it up and slice it in half for a protein-packed lunch. Mediterranean quinoa salad. Combine cooked quinoa with diced cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, Kalamata olives, red onion, feta cheese, and a handful of fresh parsley. Dress with olive oil, lemon juice, and a sprinkle of oregano. Chickpea salad sandwich. Mashed chickpeas with avocado, diced celery, red onion, lemon juice, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Spread the mixture on whole grain bread and top with lettuce and tomato for a satisfying sandwich. Tuna salad lettuce wraps. Mix canned tuna with Greek yogurt, diced apples, celery, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Spoon the mixture onto large lettuce leaves and roll them up for a light and refreshing lunch. Caprese salad skewers. Thread cherry tomatoes, fresh mozzarella balls, and basil leaves onto skewers. Drizzle with balsamic glaze and sprinkle with salt and pepper for a simple and elegant lunch option. Veggie and hummus plate. Arrange a variety of sliced veggies like carrots, cucumbers, bell peppers, and snap peas on a plate alongside a generous dollop of hummus for dipping. Add whole grain crackers or pita bread for crunch. Sushi bowl. Skip the rolling and create a deconstructed sushi bowl with cooked sushi rice, sliced cucumber, avocado, shredded carrots, edamame, and your choice of protein like cooked shrimp or tofu. Drizzle with soy sauce and sriracha for a kick. And there you have it, 10 delicious and nutritious lunch ideas to fuel your day. Which one will you be trying first? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy recipe inspiration. Thanks for watching.